Morning, children. I, Lalhare Murarinath Sahdev, welcome you back to the unit pronouns. Today we have to take up pronouns part 6. Up to 5 we have already completed, and today I want to do indefinite pronoun, which is one of the kinds of pronoun. You have done at least 4 kinds of pronoun, and now this is the 5th one. First day we did something related to the word proper, its definition, its meaning, its use, its kind, and after one by one we have started taking up almost all the kinds. And today I have come to 5th number kind of pronoun. Now let us see what is this indefinite pronoun. You are looking at, children. Indefinite means that which is not certain, which is not finite. And pronoun you know very well. Pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. So indefinite pronoun does mean that pronoun which is not certain. Indefinite pronoun is that pronoun which does not refer to any definite person, quantity or thing. In short, indefinite pronoun is non-specific pronoun. There are many examples of this indefinite pronoun. We use them all sooner or later, whether right now or after some time, but because of not having proper knowledge of the pronoun and kinds, we don't recognize them. For that reason, it's very necessary that you must know something about them, and that's what we have been doing. There are many examples of indefinite pronoun: any, many, several, some, someone, no one, something, anything, both, none. In this manner, you find somebody, nobody. You find many examples, few, little. These are different kinds of indefinite pronouns. If you all have understood what is pronoun, its kinds, and especially now the definition of this indefinite pronoun, then I intend you to move ahead to do something related to some worksheets. Now look at worksheet number 1. Underline the indefinite pronouns in the following paragraph. There are 8 in all. Now look at, suppose, the first one, few. I went on another trip last week. Few have, there is no certainty how many. That's why few is number 1 pronoun. Few have visited the park I saw because everyone, now everyone again, is another indefinite pronoun. Everyone visits Yellowstone. I saw something. Something is your third pronoun, indefinite pronoun. I saw something moving in the woods, but could not see it clearly. Then there was more movement and everybody. Now again everybody is another indefinite pronoun. And everybody saw it. It could have been a bear or maybe just the wind. Now nobody is another 5th number indefinite pronoun. Nobody could figure it out, but we had many is 6th number, many guesses. The scenery there was gorgeous. One could see for miles. Now again anybody is 7th indefinite pronoun. Anybody would love that one, view of the valley, because nothing is eighth word in this para. Nothing on earth is more beautiful. In this manner, you find almost all 8 indefinite pronouns here in your this passage. Now let us move to another worksheet. There is nothing in the clothes basket, it is empty. I have tried phoning, but every time I tried, there was nobody in. In second place, nobody. I have prepared something for dinner which you will like very much. Something. This is again indefinite pronoun, something. Something is in third blank. Now first number, would you like anything to start with before the main meal? Anything, something, both may be possible here. Now fifth number, he sat at the table but didn't have anything to eat. Fifth number, anything. Sixth number, you can do nothing. I don't really care. You can do nothing. I don't really care. You can do everything. I don't really care. This is also possible here. Seven number, I met someone you know last night. I met someone you know last night. She told me she had missed you very much. I met someone you know last night. She told me she had missed you very much. Now eighth number, that's a very easy job. Everybody can do it. Everyone, everybody, any of these two can be possible here. Ninth number, did you turn the oven off? I think I can smell something burning. Something. Did you turn the oven off? I think I can smell something burning. Now 10th number. Nobody offered help. Nobody offered help. They probably didn't have time. Now 11. Everyone arrived in good time and the meeting started promptly at 3:30. Everyone in the blank which you find in number 11. When the show finished, there was complete silence. No one clapped. Not a single person clapped. No one clapped. No one in 12th number. No one likes. None likes being poor. This is how you have to fill up in these blanks. Now come to worksheet number 3. Underline the indefinite pronoun or pronouns in the following sentences. There are a total of 10 indefinite pronouns across these 9 sentences. Everybody enjoys a good movie. Underline everybody. Second number, does anybody have the time? Anybody. In second number, anybody. Third, one sang while the other played the guitar. Now one, even if it is a certain number, one number, but here one stands for someone. That's why somebody is the meaning and somebody is indefinite pronoun. So one has to be underlined here. Now fourth number, nobody knows the trouble I have seen. Nobody. This is to be underlined. The secret was known by few. Now few, how many? That is uncertain. Maybe 4, 5, 10, 200, 500, but nothing is known. That's why few. In fifth number you have to underline few. 6. No, the secret was known by many. Underline many. This many, how many, that is not clear. That's why many is indefinite pronoun here. 7. Calculus is too hard for some. Some again, who is this some? That is not clear. That's why some is indefinite pronoun. You have to underline it. 8 number, solely you recognize somebody. Here you have to underline somebody. Which body, which person, which man, which woman, that is not clear. That's why somebody or somebody, you have to underline it. Is there anything that I can do? Anything. This is to be underlined. This is how you have to do your worksheets. This is my hope that you all talented students must have everything what I related to you in your mind, and you will definitely apply what is in your mind to your pen and paper. You will make your own notes. You will go through the video, these slides, worksheets again and again, and will definitely learn everything what is expected from you. It's all right. Thank you very much for paying attention, for sparing your valuable time to my class. And now it's the time to take part. So you have to wait for another video. Bye then. Bye for the day.